Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Sharmina Saleda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about colors menu. In this lesson, you should be able to enumerate the parts of the colors menu and discuss the use of the colors palette. The color menu of the ribbon has three parts. Boxes showing the active color, which is the color number 1, and color number 2. It shows the active color that you are going to apply on the different shapes or the different types of brushes or pencil that you are going to use on your drawing. Next is the colors palette. These are the different groups of colors that you can use to apply on your drawing. Lastly, this is the editable color. This button or this option, you can use it to edit any color or to add any shade of the color that you want to use on your MS Paint application. First, for you to be able to apply these different types of colors, you can apply it by using it or by applying it on the different shapes that you are going to use on your drawing. For example, but before that, I'm going to, you should take note, okay? You should take note that the default color on your MS Paint application is color black. But if you do not want to use the default color, you can change it in any shade of color that is available on your colors palette. And you can also add a different shade of color using the editable color. It depends on you on what type of color you are going to use on your drawing. For example, I'm going to insert a rectangle shape on my drawing area. But I do not want to use or I don't want to use the color black on my drawing. The first thing that you are going to do for you to be able to change the desired color, you're going to make sure that the color number 1 is highlighted for you to be able to use the color that you want to apply. Now you can choose different shades of color here on your colors palette. For example, I'm going to choose the green one. Okay, after selecting my desired color, you can see it here that is already applied on our color number 1. It only indicates that this color will be applied on any shape that you are going to insert in your drawing area. Let's try it. On the square one, select one specific shape first, and after that, you can now insert it here on your drawing area. As you can see it here, the desired color on color number 1 is already applied here on the outline color of the shape. Now, if you want to apply a color inside the shape or on the fill of the shape, you're just going to select color number 2. Okay, after selecting color number 2, you can now choose any color that you want to apply on the fill side of the shape. For example, I'm going to choose the gold shade of color. Select it, and after that, you can see it here in color number 2. How are we going to apply the color on the fill of the shape? You're just going to select the fill tool. After selecting the fill tool, you can now proceed to your or the inside corner of your shape, and using the left button of your mouse, you're just going to select it once, and you can now apply, you can now apply it here in our uh, shape. But as you can see here, the shade of the color that was applied is green. But we've already indicated the color number 2 here in our colors palette. How are we going to change it? You're just going to select color number 1 first and select your desired color for you to be able to apply the color that is should be applied on your shape. That is how you are going to apply different shades of colors on your colors palette. Another option for you to be able to apply a different shades of colors on your shape is we're going to use the outline, and the fill tool of your shape. How are you going to use a colors palette on your shape? This is how you are going to do it. Insert first, you are going to insert one specific shape. After selecting one specific shape, you are going to proceed to your outline command. Okay, you're going to choose the specific type of your outline for your shape. After choosing one specific outline for the shape, select color number 1. After selecting color number 1, you can now choose one specific color that you can apply on the outline of the shape. As you can see here, the color is already applied on the outline of our shape. Now, we are going to change the color inside the shape. The tool that we are going to use for us to be able to change the color inside the shape is the fill tool. Okay, first let's choose first a type of the fill tool that we are going to use. For example, we're going to use a crayon shade. As you can see here, the color that was already indicated on color number 2 is already applied here on the fill of the shape. That is how you are going to change the colors that you have on the shape that you are going to use on your MS Paint application. These are the different steps on how you are going to use the colors menu of the MS Paint application. If you have any questions regarding our topic for today, don't hesitate to message me in our LMS. Once again, this is Teacher Sharmina Zaleda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.